Okay, so we are at Carlin, Nevada, and got a little tunnel right here. This is called the Carlin Tunnel. So, anyways, we're about ready to enter it. As soon as we get closer, I'll pause. Alright, in there. Alright, here we go, guys. Well, first we gotta cross over this river.
Watch what you're recording there.
I'm recording. Humboldt River. Alright, we're going on. Woo! Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
My sister's copying me. But I'm gonna let you guys listen to something really neat. So that is so cool. One moment.
Inside?
Okay, a few rivers.
Shove it.
Oh, not this one. That's a different one.
Whoa. That's interesting. Alright, we're going faster now. Wow. Whoa. Well, I guess that's it.